All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to go through the final part of my web development series where we're going to start using a platform that's a little more robust. It's called Ecwid. So let's dive into it. So let's go. All right, guys, welcome back. First and foremost, thank you for sticking through this series. I hope you guys are actually learning something pretty cool. Again, this is going to be, I know we talked about PayHip and I know we talked about Gumroad. Those are easy 1, 2, 3 sites. Ecwid is a little more robust. It's basically the next step in getting towards that Shopify. So let's dive right in. But before we do, make sure you smash that subscribe button below. I appreciate the love. So Ecwid.com, Ecwid.com. This is what when you Google it, this is where you go, and this is what you see right off the bat. So first and foremost, before we dig anywhere, you could say get started for free. So you're probably like, oh man, it's a free trial. No. So they actually have a free plan forever. So you literally could start setting this up today and making money online today on a pro level website for free and have up to 10 SKUs. So that's the difference between all of these, is how many SKUs and how many other cool things that you could do. So in full transparency and disclosure, I would personally recommend, even if you're getting started, do the $15 a month, do the venture, because it's going to get you access to an iPhone app as well as the ability to link an actual domain to your account. So those are two pretty big features that I like, which is why I don't mind spending the $15 a month when I'm doing this. With that being said, you could set it up right now completely for free. So I'm going to go ahead. I already have like a beta account. That I've done, just to kind of take you through the back end, but you could literally sign up for free. This account is dumbed down to the free version. So you can see right here, just to prove that, I could hit upgrade and you can see that I'm on the free forever. So when you log in, you're gonna see your dashboard. It'll actually give you like a step-by-step startup guide, which is super cool as well. On the left-hand side, you could see all of your orders. You could see your catalog, which is all of your products. Any marketing tools, so you could do all of your ads and discount codes, newsletters, emails, and the whole nine straight through Ecwid. Keep in mind when you're doing things like that, there are going to be additional fees involved when you go to actually connect the app that they're recommending that you use with their service to get it going. So again, the free version, and let's just go through the upgrade list real quick. The free version is only 10 products. So you're first thinking like, oh man, only 10, like that's nothing. You really only need one good product to start making money, and then you could build sets around that. So 10 products, essential features like no transaction fee, mobile shopping cart, and more. So basically, you get a free website with this. You get a free. You have 10 products you could list for free. But you don't have the ability to create discounts or anything like that. That's actually all in the venture, which is the $15 a month one. So you still have no transaction fee. You got an online store with all. And with the free version, you won't be able to integrate Facebook Shop, Facebook stores, marketplaces, or any kind of point of sale. So that's a huge disadvantage when it comes to the free version versus even the $15 a month. So that's again why I like the $15 a month. It gives you 10 times the amount of products. You could have up to 100, but you could also start integrating Facebook Shop in your Instagram store. So if you have an Instagram business, if you have a Facebook page, which I hope you do when you're doing this to make the most amount of money, you integrate stuff like that right off the bat. As far as advertising goes, with the free version, you can do Facebook, Google, Pinterest, Snapchat. You can do all of the advertising. Automated marketing emails within this app isn't until you get to the business version, which is fine because there are free alternatives to that, which we could talk about in other videos. So mobile responsive shopping cart is something that's a feature for all. The store management on the app you won't get until you upgrade to the venture plan. So there is a free app and you can log into your store. You could edit SKUs, you could do the whole nine. You can do basically everything you do on the computer on your phone. So that's very big. If you're only on your phone, you might want to just pay the $15 for the convenience fee on that. and you won't get your own branded iOS or Android shopping app unless you pay the big bucks for it, which is fine because you don't really need the app right off the bat. Features, you have unlimited bandwidth on everything. Apple Pay, Stripe, the whole nine. Instant site builder, add a store to any website. A lot of cool stuff. What you don't get are discount coupons. You don't get to connect your own domain. You don't get gift cards, anything like that. So if that stuff is important to you, yes, you get that for $15 a month, which is like pennies on the dollar in the grand scheme of things. But this is all stuff that you get with other sites for free as well. So now that we kind of dove into the different plans, so let's just check out the free site for the free thing. So first thing I want to do when I sign up is I want to go to settings, and I'm going to go to general right off the bat, and I'm going to edit my store name. So I actually made this for Barbell Club. I did a BS drop shipping thing one weekend. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to set your store name. You're going to set your company name. Make sure you hit the save button every now and then. Drop your address below, and then you can link all of your accounts. So if you have a YouTube channel, Twitter, Instagram, the whole nine. And then there's this feature where you could actually close the storefront for maintenance. So what that does is when you actually view the website, which is this is what the free site looks like, it'll just say this store is closed for maintenance, so you won't be able to generate any sales, which is completely fine. So I'm going to go and open the storefront back up, and then you could reopen your setup wizard right from there. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to website, and I'm going to go to overview. And that's going to bring me to my website builder. So what you just saw over here was my free website. So you can see the free website, very basic, very straight to the point. You could add your logo, edit text, shop on sale now, and then when you have your SKUs, you have your SKU right there. So all you have to do is go click on edit site, and now you have tons of themes you could choose from to start off, and you could go in and you could edit any of the pictures. If you need images, pexels.com is really good. Google Images is even fine, anything like that. When you click on store, it'll let you change the size of the thumbnail on each picture, the aspect ratio, if you want a one-page product, if you want a multi-page product. Basically, you do anything. Like literally, it basically creates the website for you. So that's why I wanted to show you guys Ecwid, because it's actually more of a customizable website feature that's on here as well. And then website settings, you could always change the domain. Obviously, I used the Instagram handle I was using this account on, and then it goes .company.site is like the internal domain for Ecwid. So if you want to connect your domain, you need to spend the $15 and set up the domain, and then it'll give you the steps if you buy it, specifically on where you buy it from and the whole nine. If you don't want to do this and you have a domain already, you could always just do a redirect to the company name at company.site or .company.site on the URL, and that'll work as well. And then you could always change the name of the storefront. So once that's done, we're going to go back to dashboard now that we got a basic site set up. I'm not going to go too much in depth because that will be an extremely long video. And the next thing you know, you need to go to catalog, and now you could add your products. So it's just as simple as clicking new product. You could upload all of your images if you have some. You write your name. SKU is basically what the product inventory number is. So you could just type in. What I normally do is I just have a numbering scheme, and I always backlog that onto like a Google Doc. This way I know where that is. Drop the prescription below. And then if it requires shipping, you could have all that done through here. And then attributes, I don't really touch that. Options gives you the ability to build out, like if you want to buy 2 for $3 and things like that. Files, so you could actually sell digital goods on here too. Unfortunately, you have to upgrade to the venture plan to do that. So you have to pay $15 in order to connect your ebook to it, which is why I gave you 2 other sites ahead of time on that. SEO rankings, that's an upgrade. Related products, so you could upsell with related products, and you could add a buy now button as well. Other features like setting a compare to price, bulk discount pricing, pay what you want, those are all upgradable features. But for the sake of just quickly trying to add, trying to do a drop shipping site, boom. So I created all of these images really quickly. So what I will show you, if you're trying to get into apparel, if you go to the app market, you could connect, where is it? You could connect Printful straight from, straight from the app. And when you open the app, you could open Printful and you could actually import your design and build it out and basically send it right back into your Ecwid and have your thing. So that's basically like how you set up a quick Ecwid site. There's a little more work involved with it. I normally charge about $40 for the initial setup fee and like 10 to 15 a month for the maintenance. And that's what the venture, if they upgrade, obviously they would either pay me and I would keep the fee on my card. This way I break even on that and they pay me to pay the upgrade, or I have them go in and connect everything as well. So this is something that you could sell and make money with. You could sell online website building and the whole nine. A lot of people don't want to take the time. Honestly, once you get good at it, it could probably take you 20 to 30 minutes. So you're making about $1 a minute if you charge 30 or 40 bucks on this. So anyway, I'm going to leave you guys with that. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.